In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Grok AI password in 2026. If you have forgotten your Grok account password or you are having trouble accessing your account, resetting your password can help you regain access. First, open the Grok AI website or app and go to the login screen. Look for the option related to forgotten passwords or account recovery. Click on the password recovery option and follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may be asked to enter the email address or account information associated with your Grok account. After entering the required information, continue with the recovery process. If Grok sends a verification or password reset message to your email, open your email inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders. Make sure you are checking the correct email account. Open the official recovery message and follow the instructions provided. If a password reset link is included, use that link to continue the process. When you reach the password creation screen, choose a new password that is strong and difficult for other people to guess. Avoid using simple passwords, common words, or information that can easily be associated with you. If possible, use a unique password that you do not reuse on other websites or services. You can also consider using a trusted password manager to securely store your login information. After successfully changing your password, return to the Grok login page and sign in using your account details and new password. If the password reset email does not arrive, double-check that you entered the correct email address. You can also wait a few minutes and request another recovery message if the service provides that option. If you still cannot reset your password, check Grok's official support or account recovery resources for additional assistance. And that's how you can reset